Select your camera and then press N to open the sidebar. Under View, tick Lock to Camera View. In the Output settings under Frame, set your frame range. I set mine to end at 100 frames. And under Output, I set the file format to PNG. In the upper right corner viewport, press Ctrl number pad 3 or press X in the gizmo to set the view. Zoom in closely to see where the camera is. Next, split the main screen into two and make the bottom section as the timeline. Press I and this will set a keyframe for location. The keyframe is set at 1. This means the animation will start here. I would like to space out my keyframes evenly, therefore I'll play and stop at the 20th, 40th, 60th, 80th and the 100th frame. 19th frame is close enough, and now in the viewport in the upper right, I will move my camera forward. Next, I'll press I again to set the keyframe at the 19th frame. And then, as you can see, the keyframes has appeared. So do this repetitively until the 100th frame. Press and play, stop at the 40th frame, move the camera, then press I. You can use the main screen as your guidance of how much is your camera moving forward towards the scene. Because I would not want mine to be too close to the semi-structure, as I still would like to capture the sunset view at the back. I couldn't miss the 100th frame, so I'm just going to drag the slider till the 100th frame, move the camera and press I. If you're happy with your animation, under the Render tab, you can select Render Animation. So all your frames would have been saved in the folder here. Locate the folder and check on your renders after it has all been rendered. Here are all of my 100 frames. Now on to the last step is to compile the renders into a file. Click File, under New, select Video Editing. Save your file. Shift A and select Image Sequence. Locate the files where all your renders are stored. Make sure the renders are sorted by name. Press A to select all the frames and select Add Image Strip. Now press play Prepare your animation. Make sure the frame range is the same amount. If the frame range you choose to render is 100, set the frame range here at 100 as well. Ensure the frame rate and the resolution is also the same when you render your frames. Make sure to select the folder that you wish to save this animation. Under Output, save the file format as FFmpeg video. And when all is set, select Render Animation. This is my final rendered animation. If you have made it till the end, thank you for your time. Let me know your thoughts on this tutorial. And if you liked it, hit the like button and do subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you next time and thank you very much.